What's going on? In today's video, we're about to go through the no bullshit step-by-step framework that we teach inside of our paid course. I'm going to give that to you today for free. It's going to show you exactly how you land a sales job with little to no sales experience. I've done this for over 450 of our students. It's going to tell you how you can land a job from home, making anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000 every single month. Let's get into it. All right, cool. So I just pulled up a quick LinkedIn search here in regards to SDR. Now, the really cool thing about LinkedIn and why I prefer applying to jobs on LinkedIn, or I recommend it to our students, is you can see right here, it's going to tell you who to actually reach out to in the strategy, right? So the person that you need to get the attention of and put your name to the top of the list is going to be Kelly here. It's also going to tell you that you're making, $45,000 to $80,000 per year. They're a 50 to 200 person company, which means they're legit, right? They're going to have systems and processes in place. You can also search by salary, experience, date posted, obviously go earliest posted. But right here, instead of just hitting easy apply, which is quote unquote easy, which is what everyone else does. And the whole point of this video is to stand out from everyone else, right? So what you're going to do here is you're going to go to Kelly's profile, because she's the person who's actually going to be the person that you have to apply to, right? So here's Kelly. She's obviously hiring. There's the job. Now, what you're going to do is you are going to connect with Kelly, and you're going to record a video of you face to camera, just like I am right now to you, on a software called Loom, LOOM.com. Now, what you say in that video is going to be very important, right? Here's the actual script and how to make the video. So you're going to start off by introducing yourself. Hi, my name is X. I saw you were hiring for an SDR role. I wanted to quickly introduce myself in less than 60 seconds and tell you why I think an initial interview conversation would be worth it for both of us, right? This is sales 101. So the custom response, right? So in your job post, you mention, and guys, I promise you, I did not script this first, so this is all raw. So you can know this is legit. So what it says is we're seeking an SDR position summary, represent the company's products. We're looking for someone who's coachable, motivated to succeed, self-starter, requirements, consistent, clear communication, base pay is 45 plus 3.5 sales commissions, uncapped, healthcare benefits. Looks like a pretty good opportunity here. So really what you want to leverage, right? Maybe you know what Salesforce is, or you've had CRM experience, right? Anything in the past that is applicable to what they say. This is literally a cheat sheet on what they're looking for. So what you're going to do in the script here is find something, mention it. So in your job post, I know you mentioned someone needed to be quota driven and have experience using Salesforce or other CRMs. So in my previous experience, I hit quota the last 3 months of my last job, and we use Salesforce or HubSpot or whatever it is, right? Speak to, make them know that you read the post, and then talk about it, right? So one skill, one culture thing, and one personality trait. A reason why you want to be a culture fit to the company. Because when they're hiring a sales rep, obviously they're hiring you for your sales abilities, but they actually want to like to work with you, right? You got to mesh with the team. You got to be somebody who's, going to grow within their organization, right? So what I would also do is bring up the course, right? So this is the exact thing we teach in our paid program on helping SDRs and people just like yourself watching this video learn sales, refine their sales skills, and then monetize it with a job placement, right? So not only that, but I've invested my own money into a course called the SDR Whisperer that doesn't just give me the information, but allows me to role play, practice, pass assignments, moving on to the next. So I'm actually steadily building a foundation of sales ability that becomes my instinct and second nature. It also gives me extra coaching even when I start working with you, so I can continually get better, right? In conclusion, I'm looking for a place where I can put all of this on display, say thank you, leave a good taste in their mouth, and you're looking forward to hear back from next steps. Now, you're going to want to apply for the job and then immediately connect and send them a message, right? So you're going to hit apply, easy apply, whatever, and then you're going to send the video on top of it supplementary to the application, right? Now, this is sales, right? You don't always get a response on the first touch. right? Good life lesson. You need to follow up. This is what's really going to separate, because other people may send a video or send a personalized message, but the majority of people, even salespeople in a job, don't follow up, right? So you're going to want to follow up. You can follow the script, steal this from me, whatever you want to do. The main idea here is to stay top of mind, be consistent, because that is what the job requires. So, hey, sure you're extremely busy. Just wanted to move this to the top of your inbox. I sent you a 60 to 90 second video because I'm the perfect SDR, BDR, whatever it is that you're going to have in that applicant pool. Right? If they don't follow up there, right? Response 2, unsure about me still? Here are 3 reasons you won't regret granting me an interview. You're not selling the job, you're just selling the interview, right? So something that stands out, something else, 3 things that stand out about you, right? Prior sales experience, culture, background, personality, whatever that is. Again, response number 3, right? Continually follow up here. Insert a quote or something that you had in your previous experience, high school, college, whatever that is. Name the person who said the quote. I make sure that everywhere I invest my time is something in reference to that quote. Excited to get the chance to do the same for company name. So in this situation, right, excited to do this for Consult Finder. Response number 4. This is a great one. Did I offend you, Kelly? I hope my persistence didn't agitate you in any way. If Consult Finder already filled the position, no worries. I just wanted to say thanks for the opportunity. And if it ever opens back up, I'd be extremely excited to hear from you and earn my spot in any way. All the best to you and Consult Finder. Thanks. So you did your best, right? That's all you can truly do in the situation. What this strategy does is it's going to separate you from the pack. 9 times out of 10, if they put their name on the application that they are the person, they're going to be active on LinkedIn. They're posting the job opportunity on LinkedIn. They need to be active. So the more touch points, the better your video, better of the quality of what you put in your email and your videos, the greater the likelihood for you to land a job with very good pay and opportunity to make a lot of money. That's the goal here, right? Now, let's talk about if they are not on LinkedIn, right? They don't give you the person, right? Not everyone here is going to give you the hiring team. You're not totally sure who you should be reaching out to, right? So let's find one where there is no person that they give you. All right, here we go. So this is for Phenom. It's a full-time SDR gig. Here you go. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to have to prospect the person, right? And make an educated guess on who that person might be. So what you're going to do is go to Phenom, the company itself. You're going to go into the people tab here, and then you're going to search for sales, right? I believe they give you, So you click on sales. This is a pretty big company, right? So there's probably a lot of people here, but what you're going to want to do is come in here. This is an SDR. Very good idea to reach out to them. Hey, Joshua, how do you like being an SDR here? I'm thinking about applying for your open position. Any help or insights that you can give me? Or who would be the person that I would reach out to apply to become an SDR, right? Reach out to people in the organization that are already in the role. It's going to A, give you good insight on if it's a good role opportunity, if they like it. And 2, they're probably going to fast track you to the hiring manager. So what you're normally going to want to do is reach out to like a business development manager, a CRO, senior vice president, sales director, all leadership type roles. Director of sales ops, probably not a good one here. Or what you can also do, which is a free tool, it's a tool called Apollo. So what Apollo does, and I have the extension right here, is you're going to be able to come through in here and it's going to give you their actual email address right here. So it's verifying the email right here. So this is brent.frazier@phenompeople.com, right? Now you can copy that email and then send them the personalized loom that we just went through. You can take it outside of LinkedIn. You can go to them on LinkedIn. You can email them. Always reach out on multiple channels. Maybe Brent there is not a LinkedIn person. Maybe he's an email person, right? All salespeople check their emails, every single one of them. So if you write a email to Brent, subject line would be your next best SDR. Send the video, send a little bit of blurb, say thanks, right? So this is actually doing the job. This is what you do in sales. You prospect companies, you find the decision maker, and you reach out to them. You're going to give a great indication of how good you are at becoming an SDR because you're already showing them that you can do it, right? If you guys want an even more in-depth video, the first link in the description is going to be access to our free course. It's going to go in-depth into how to master setting appointments for businesses and getting paid to do so. You also get access to an entire community of people just like you, all on the same path with the same mission of making a bunch of money in sales. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I do read every single one of them. If you found this video to be valuable, please leave a like and a subscribe. See you in the next video.